Helo, shwmae, a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Now let's dive straight back into our Back to Basics series with some more on numbers. Now previously I have covered numbers 0 to 10. Today I'm going to teach you all the way up to 20. Now before we start, you may want to revisit numbers 0 to 10. Otherwise, if you're ready, so am I. Barod? Amdani. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20. Here are those numbers one more time for you. Dyma'r rhifau unwaith eto I chi. And that's it. Now you can count from 0 to 20 in Welsh, or 0 I 20 yn y Gymraeg. Make sure you come back next week for more Welsh Wednesdays. Gwna'n siŵr dewch chi nôl wythnos nesa am fwy o Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hwyl am y tro, ta-ra for now.